friends, welcome to GCM at Home. My name is Ashley and I'm an educator here at the Glacier Children's Museum. Today we are going to look at beautiful, colorful, detailed works of art by an artist named Christi Belcourt.
Christi Belcourt is a Métis visual artist living and working in Canada. Have you heard of the Métis before? Métis have both Indigenous and European ancestry, self-identify as Métis, practice their culture, and may speak Métis.
Let's take a look at some of Christi's paintings. Her works of art have a very distinct feature, and I want to see if you can spot it.
Christi's paintings explore and celebrate the natural world and shows the interconnectedness of nature. In her painting, Water Song, Christi intertwines plants, birds, and fish, all creatures that rely on water as part of their habitat. Take a moment to look closely. Can you spot the owl hidden in the painting?
Have you noticed a distinct feature yet? Do you see how her works of art are made up of tiny dots? These dots resemble the floral beadwork of her ancestors. Each dot looks like a little bead. The use of small dots to create a work of art has a long history in art history too. Do you know what that technique is called? Come on, take a guess. It's called pointillism, but we can talk more about that another time. Are you ready for a fun fact? Christi's painting, Water Song, contains approximately 150,000 to 250,000 bead-like dots. Can you count that high? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we've looked really close at Christi's paintings, let's zoom out and look at the whole thing. First, let's look at the left side. Now, let's look at the right. It kind of looks like both sides are kind of similar. What do you think? It looks to me like there's a little bit of symmetry here. What is symmetry? Symmetry is when both sides of something look exactly or almost exactly the same. For example, a butterfly is symmetrical because you can fold a picture of it in half and see that both sides match. Let's head upstairs to the classroom and create our own symmetrical work of art inspired by Christi Belcourt. I'll meet you up there. Hi friends, welcome. To create our symmetrical work of art today, you will need a writing tool like a crayon, marker, colored pencil, anything you have, and a piece of paper. I am using black today because I am using oil pastels. Have you used an oil pastel before? They're just like crayons, they look like crayons, feel like crayons, but they are made with a non-drying oil, so you can easily mix and blend colors together by using your finger and rubbing them together. The first step we're going to take is to take your piece of paper and fold it in half. This will make it easier to see the two halves when you're making your symmetrical work of art. Our next step will be to draw our design on one half of our folded piece of paper. How does yours look so far? I like how mine is coming out. Our next step will be to draw the same design on the other side. This might be a bit tricky. I want you to try your best and do not give up. You ready? How does yours look? Mine is pretty close. I'm pretty impressed. Now, do you have any empty space around your design? Remember how Christi filled up all the space with different plants and animals? Let's do the same. did your symmetrical work of art come out? Mine is almost perfectly symmetrical, I think. What about you? Thank you for creating with me today. I cannot wait to see your symmetrical work of art. Be sure to share it with us. Until next time, bye-bye.